Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, another simple and a delicious cook. We are going to be doing a sausage, bacon, egg and cheese breakfast sandwich in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. And we're going to cook everything all at once, so it's really going to be easy. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, so this is what we got. It's going to be really easy. So we got some eggs here. I'm going to be using some Jimmy Dean sausage, regular. You can use whatever sausage you want. Now on the sandwich, I do like the Kraft singles, the American cheese. It just tastes a little better to me than cheddar. I love cheddar, but on this sandwich, I do love the American cheese. We got some bacon here, just some regular bar-S bacon, regular cut, and then a couple of muffins, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the sausage up. We're going to form a couple patties. Okay, so I just made one patty real quick, and you're just going to use, it's less than a quarter of a pound, but something like that. Little ball right here, and then just smash it in and flatten it out. The main thing that you want to do, I got my left hand clean, so I'm going to show you something here in a minute, but the main thing, after you form these, and what I like to do also is just kind of go around the edge and make them actually look round-ish, but I got my left hand clean, but you want them to be bigger than the muffin itself, because when you put them in, they're going to shrink a little bit. Alright, so we got the patties made. Now, with that being said, that's about it. Let's go to the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill and get all this stuff cooked up. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright guys, so we are here at the Ninja Foodi. So what we're going to be using inside, no grill grate, no nothing, just the drip pan that it comes with is the only thing we're going to be using. We're going to go ahead and turn this on. We're going to pick the grill function, leave it on high, press start, let it preheat. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so we are done preheating, as you can see that food. So we're going to lift this thing up. And the first thing we're going to do, we got our patties here. We'll go ahead and put these on the far, if we get it out there, left hand side. Both these patties here. Yeah. Perfect. Now the next thing, which I really like, is the eggs. Alright, now we're going to do two of these, cracked on the side, and we put it in so hot, it should stay right close to that area, right there. Awesome. Perfect. And this one down here at the bottom. Yeah, that's fine. And then what you want to do, you can take a fork. In this case, I just have a toothpick. You can take a fork or whatever. Just go ahead and poke a couple holes right in the top of that. Don't break the whole thing open, but just put a couple of holes in there. It's going to help it cook better. And then, last thing is the bacon. Just get that bacon in there. Get as many pieces as you can. We got 4 or so. 3. Then that's fine on that last one right there. Just get it in there. Ooh, it's gonna click on that egg white. So that's it. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and drop the top, and we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, we are approaching 6 minutes in, and when you take a look, everything seems to be pretty well done. Those eggs are perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do double cheese on one of these. So both of the sausages get cheese, and then one of the eggs will get cheese. So I'll do a double cheese on one and a single cheese on the other. Now we're going to go ahead and drop this top. Give it 1 minute. We'll be right back. Alright, countdown. 3, 2, 1, 1 minute. That cheese is looking amazing. And everything right now is good to go. If you want to just have sausage, egg, and bacon for breakfast, go ahead and do it. I'm going to pull these off. We're going to build this awesome sandwich for you. See you in a minute. Alright guys, this is what we ended up with. Everything is perfectly cooked. The egg with the cheese, 2 sausage cheese, bacon, perfect crispy. Awesome. So let's build this for you real quick. So got the muffins toasted. Now on one of these, I'm just going to do a little bit of butter. Great. And then on the second one, let's get that there. Actually, just a little bit of mayo on the second one. Now you can use whatever you want, you know, but don't be a weirdo and use ketchup. I know some people I absolutely love their ketchup and their eggs. Anyway, yeah, don't be weird, don't do that. So anyway, so we got the bottom. So let's build this real quick. These things are absolutely hot. So boom, and then obviously we're going in with the bacon next, and then let me grab this. This one will be the cheesy egg. Yes, oh baby, perfect. And then the other one, we're gonna go ahead, same thing, boom. Get that that bacon on there, and then that, then that egg. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and top these off real quick. Now, don't go anywhere because I want to take a bite of these, but also got something for you. Be right back. All right, guys, so we are finished with the cook, and as you can see, they turned out amazing. So I did one single cheese, one double cheese. Can you guess which one I'm gonna go for? The double cheese. You know that's right. So let's take a bite of this thing. Oh man. Oh man, that is some kind of fire. That is. So I've been waiting to this video. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to. I made one a couple of weeks ago, but I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do this video, and I couldn't wait. So anyway, that's how you do a sausage, bacon, egg, and cheese, all of it at one time in the Ninja Foodi. What was it, 7 total minutes for everything? That's awesome. So anyway, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give a thumbs up and drop an awesome comment. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.